Me and my truck Vinkman have about an 800-mile journey today. It's going to take us about 15 hours. I'm going way up north. For some of you watching this, maybe it's way down south. I don't know. However, I'll check in from time to time. Unfortunately, today I'm traveling without Jessica, so it's going to be kind of a bummer, but guy's got to do something to keep himself busy. I'll do this vlog. Stay tuned. You know, we started this channel as a how-to for current and future empty nesters. You can click the top corner to see our past content and possibly subscribe. I'm at this early morning South Texas gas station because I'm going on a 15-hour trip. Curious on seeing where I'm going to go? Stay tuned. One of the things that goes without saying is having a good route. What I personally do is I have two phones. I have one phone from work, one personal phone. Have it on a dash cam mount here, and that way I know I'm on the right track. One of the other things I do is I'll have things to listen to queued up, audiobooks, podcasts, documentaries, that sort of thing. I don't watch the screen, I just listen.
One man, one camera, one mission.
Now for this trip, I've got queued up A Helmet for My Pillow, written by Robert Leckie. He's a World War II Marine, and I'm excited to get into this book on audio because it happens to be narrated by the actor James Badge Dale. I had an opportunity to meet Badge a couple of years back. Let me tell you, he's a great guy. I really enjoy his work. Can't wait to hear him narrate the book. So as a side note, Badge actually portrayed Robert Leckie in the HBO miniseries The Pacific. If you haven't seen that, highly recommend it. Check it out. All the way down in Waco, Texas, and there's a Johnson County, Kansas truck in front of me. What are the chances? And we're going to play a little game here called In the Wrong Lane at Rush Hour. Thank you, lady. Here we go. Onto the mighty, mighty I-35. Now, we came through the other night. Baylor was really lit up neat. Stadium had the bright leprechaun green going on. My inner monologue was like, dude, that looks like the Northern Lights. Without missing a cue, Jessica was like, oh, look how neat that is. That looks just like the Northern Lights or something. Okay, so just a teaser. I am at the secret spot. Right? Secret spot for the secret shot. Show you a little bit of behind the scenes, a little bit of veiled references. And if you have any more guesses, put them down below in the comments. See how close anybody can get. Also, remember, guess what state we're in, right? Am I still in Texas? Am I in a state that's further north? Got any guesses? Put it down in the comments down below. We'll see you in a second.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies.
Alright, so secret shot done successfully. I think it turned out pretty good. I just watched it back. I try and always check my stuff before I leave. It can be problematic if it didn't work out and you're 400 miles away. So looks pretty good, and keep watching till the end of the vlog and we'll show you what it was. Okay, you ever have one of those moments where you're like, and then you're like, okay, I got a solution. So I'm sitting a couple hundred miles away from home, reaching in to get my car keys out, and that is not my car key. Any guesses on whose car key that is? Since I'm sitting in a Ford, pause for emphasis. So I think I probably want to call somebody and let her know how to get her extra key out of the safe.
Still in for a while and do some work.
Okay.
Right. I see you got the PLW. Were you in the service?
I was, yeah.
Were you?
Yeah.
My dad was ex-military, 22 years Navy.
Okay.
I was born in Oakland. My sister was born in San Diego.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, right. And we moved, they retired in Oklahoma City years back in the 70s. I went to high school there.
Yeah.
And they're passed away and all now.
Sure.
But I grew up on bases.
Okay.
In fact, I started school in Naperville.
Okay.
And this was back in the
So
late
you've been
60s.
abroad?
Yeah.
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 Hey, buddy.
Yeah. So, but lately, me and Red, we went out. I got good friends. Q-Ball, he runs a club out there and everything. And I was out in St. George, him and his dad Terry, and I was out there doing masonry. Just having fun. It's beautiful out there in St. George. I mean,
It's
like,
nice. We've been through there a bunch.
yeah, it's like dinosaur land.
It is.
It's perfect for riding. And you're going to run 35 and then go east. Make a left by around Swin, Kansas.
Yes, sir.
I've been to Sturgis several times.
Sure.
And Nebraska, we always helmet up.
I know, right? Yeah. Stay long.
And down 35, you'll get into City, Frontier City area and all that.
Right.
It's a pretty major hub there. You
Yeah,
might
it is.
fly one around that area. You got, of course, the
Right.
grasslands and all that, which is pretty flat, but it's an interesting country
Yes.
too.
There's a lot. So I've got a bit of footage already. If you had to guess what it was, what would you say? Because I already got it. I got it this morning. Right. So south of here, what do you think? What do you think I went with?
I mean, you're going through Oklahoma, Kansas,
Right.
and then into Nebraska.
Right. Right.
So my major guess would probably be Oklahoma.
Oklahoma.
Yeah. Or would it be Kansas? I'm gonna say Oklahoma. Okay.
So Vance, I appreciate talking to you, man.
Venkman, Nigel, and myself all made it. About 17 hours, give or take. It's a pretty good trip, a little longer than I thought, but I had some people interview. So if you hang tight, I'll get your mystery shot. Stay tuned. If you see value in this type of content, consider subscribing. We'll talk to you soon.